Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cross stitch. This is a variation on a single crochet, and when used with different styles of yarn, it looks like a little X right on your work. I use for my demonstration the Bernat Maker yarn. The reason I do that is so that you're able to see the stitches and the process a little better, but typically you would use a smaller yarn to do this. One thing I want to mention is that when you're doing this stitch, to make the little X's really appear, you need to do it in the round. I actually tried to do it like in a back and forth pattern, and the X's just did not really work out well. So we are going to work this example in the round. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to make a slip knot. So do that whatever way works best for you. And once we get that done, we are going to do just a foundation chain. For this example, I think I used like 15. One of the tricks here is to make sure that your chains are loose because the looser they are, the more the X looks, but you don't want them too loose. So that's part of the problem. Loose, but not too loose. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to join the round. So we're going to do this with a slip stitch, and then we're going to do a chain one just to bring it up to the next level. So we're not going to yarn over. What you're actually going to do is yarn under. So you will go through your chain, put your hook on top of the strand, and pull that through the chain. I'm not really sure yarn under is the term, but that's what I'm going to call it. Then you're just going to finish your single crochet like you normally would. So you're going to go through that chain, yarn under, pull up a loop, yarn over, and go through both loops. When you go on to your next row, you'll do a chain one, and you'll go under the 2 strands to do just a normal single crochet. Again, don't yarn over, yarn under, pull that under both strands, and finish your single crochet like you normally would. Like I said earlier, some of the tips for this is to keep your tension loose and to yarn under. And this is the single crochet, and it is a crisscross single crochet. You can see here they're making little X's, and that is the pattern all the way around. So here is an example of what it will look like. I did 3 rows here so you could take a peek and see what they all look like on top of each other. Could be a little bracelet if you wanted it to be. I really appreciate you all stopping by and spending some time with me. Peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care and see you again soon.